Hi everyone, what up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be doing a first impressions and review on some of the products from the e.l.f. Retro Paradise collection. So if you are interested, just keep on watching. Hello guys! Oh my gosh! I have in front of me the pieces that I picked up from the e.l.f. Retro Paradise collection. I didn't pick up every single piece from the collection, but I did pick up most of the products, and I'm going to show you guys what I got. Here I have the e.l.f. Retro Paradise eyeshadow palette. You guys can see it has that like holographic packaging. The multi-dimensional face and body shimmer. On camera, it's not going to pick it up, but I'm going to insert a clip that I had of it in direct sunlight. And you guys, this stuff is so gorgeous. This is in the shade Luna. e.l.f. Liquid Glitter Eyeshadow in Flirty Birdie. e.l.f. Retro Paradise Line and Shine Lip Kit, which this is actually, I think it's their first set of lip liners like ever. So this is pretty exciting. Colors are just gorgeous. I can't wait. I also got the sponge trio, and I actually used one of them to do my base makeup today, but they also came in that super cute packaging. Glow Up Body Oil, and I also got the brush, just like a body brush to apply, so I'm really excited about this as well. Let's just jump in and get started playing with these products. Yay! Start out with this color here called Fuego. I'm just gonna place this right in my crease. It's this really pretty kind of peachy tone. Ooh, this is going on really nicely. I love this. This is going on so nicely. I don't know that I've ever tried e.l.f. eyeshadow palettes, to be honest. I think maybe I tried one once and it was kind of like a miss for me, like the formulation was really patchy. But this is going on so nicely. I'm also kind of dragging this down into the outer corner. Then I'm going to pick up some of Sandy Bum. I'm just going to stamp this kind of in the outer corner here. Oh my goodness, I'm really impressed. These are super pigmented. Like the way they're going on, I just dipped in there a little bit. Kind of pulling it into the crease a little bit just to give a little more depth. Anything extra on my brush I'm using to pull in towards like where my brow meets my nose. I knew I was really excited about this, but I honestly didn't know like what to expect formulation wise. And I mean, these are just going on so nice. The mattes even. So this is gonna be exciting. Take my blending brush and just kind of re-go over those two colors. Slightly dip back into Fuego, which is that warmer peachy tone. Next I'm going to use the color Coconut. Dip my brush in the tiniest bit. I'm just placing that in the very outer portion here to give a little bit more depth. I'm taking my blending brush and I'm just going over everything. Small little circular motions, just kind of evening everything out. Love the tones of this so far. This is like really pretty. With my finger I'm gonna pick up Fortuna, and I'm gonna do this shimmer right in the center. Oh yeah, how pretty. Going on so nice. I know I keep saying that, but oh my gosh, I'm like very impressed, you guys. For such an affordable eyeshadow palette, this is pretty cool. I just barely dipped my finger into the pan too. This color is so unique. I feel like all the colors are really unique, honestly. Like they're just such nice tones and so on trend for the summer. I'm also going to use Paraíso. I'm gonna do that kind of on the inner portion. Oh my gosh, how pretty. I'm so impressed. That is so pretty. It has this like gold shift in it, and I'm just gonna kind of drag it over. Wow. Can you guys see how cool this is? I don't even know if the camera's picking it up. I'm kind of pulling it like up into that inner area here as well to just open my lid space. Gorgeous. I'm gonna take some of Sandy Bum, which is that kind of chestnut brown shade we did in the crease, and I'm just gonna go under my lower lash line here. This layers up nicely too, like you can get a lot of depth out of just the one shade. Taking my ColourPop liquid liner in numero uno. I'm just gonna do a really simple line, no wing. Apply mascara and lashes and I'll be right back. Lashes are on. These are Lily lashes in the style Mykonos. And I actually realized I forgot about the glitter liquid eyeshadows in Flirty Birdie is the name. How cute. Let's just apply a little bit, maybe kind of in the center. Then I'm just gonna kind of dot it with my finger. Wow, this is really pretty too. Guys, I'm loving everything. Really excited for this next part. We're gonna be using the multi-dimensional face and body shimmer. And this is in the shade Luna. Guys, it is so gorgeous. You can't even tell how pretty it is. So pretty. I'm gonna take a little pencil brush, dip into that. I'm gonna put it right on my inner corner and brow bone. Highlight my nose with this. Ooh la la. A little on the forehead, cheeks. Wow, this is such a unique color, so pretty. Lips, we have so many options. These are all the lip liners that I have. I think I'm kind of gravitating towards, this says, this exclusive lip kit includes Dream On lip gloss in a moment, which I have. The Nude 1 lip liner. It says it's a soft nude pink. Nude 2 lip liner. Nude 3 lip liner. And then Vivid lip liner. So those are the names. Probably go with Nude 1 and 2. These apply really easy. It's not like pulling on my lips or anything. I'm actually going to use 2 and 3. This is 2. There we go. Also going to take Nude 3, the darker one, and I'm just going to define a little bit more. So far, I like how the lip liner feels. It's not like tacky or anything. Oh, I got glitter on my lips from my finger. But it feels really nice and it went on really nicely as well. Please ignore the glitter that I just put on my lips. I'm so excited for this gloss. It's called A Moment. It kind of smells like candy a little bit. How cute. Got like pink and gold in it. Let's set the face. I'm just gonna use my all-nighter setting spray from Urban Decay. The other thing I want to try is the Glow Up Body Oil. So this is the more bronzier shade called Golden Hour. And I don't have any self-tan on right now, but normally I do, especially in the summertime. So I figured this would be perfect when I have my self-tan. And I also have the little brush, which I need to open. So let's do that. As I'm wearing the lip gloss, it does feel a little gritty with the glitter. It doesn't, not a lot. It's not to the point where it's bothering me. If you're someone who like hates that feeling, you may not like it. How cute is this brush? Oh my gosh, it's really soft. I like e.l.f. brushes. I have some and I use for like the eye brushes, and it's like a good size. Like it feels good in my hand for body application. So let's do this. Okay, so this is what just the body shimmer looks like, and it does not feel sticky like at all, you guys. And I love like just, it looks so shiny, healthy. Also gonna take some of Luna, the body, face and body highlight, just with my finger. So nice. I mean, come on, like this glow is so pretty. Final thoughts, let's go over pricing and all of that good stuff. The body brush that I just used to apply this is $10. Body oil itself is $12. Multi-dimensional face and body shimmer is $10. 18-piece eyeshadow palette is $14, which like, what a great value for how pretty these shades are. And I mean, you get so many different color stories in this. Liquid eyeshadow glitter is $5. Sponge trio, which you guys didn't see me use, but I did use it to apply my base, The sponge trio is $10. The lip kit with all of those lip liners and the gloss is $10 as well. Overall, I mean, everything is super affordable. I just feel like all of these products give you such a good value for the quality that they are, especially even the lip kit. Like, the lip liners themselves, aside from the gloss, I love them. The gloss is nice too, don't get me wrong. Like, I actually think I'm gonna be wearing this a lot. It's a little gritty for like my preference, but the more I'm wearing it, the less gritty it's feeling. So I don't know, maybe it just wears better. Eyeshadow palette, you guys, is a huge yes for me. The shadows just, they blended so nicely, especially the mattes. Like, the formulation on the matte shadows is beautiful. I mean, they went on like butter, and I think you get so many pretty color stories that you can work with. I'm honestly so excited to do more tutorials using this for you guys. Face and Body Shimmer, it's such a unique shade, and I think that's why I like it so much. That iridescence, it's also a bouncy textured formula, so it's kind of like creamy when you touch it almost. It's really nice. Body oil, I love. I think the Body Glow is such a great affordable product if you're looking for something for the summer, you know, just a little extra when you have like a strappy dress on date night, or if you're doing like pics in a bikini at the pool or something like that. It's not sticky, and it just looks like a very healthy glow. It also comes in a lighter champagne color, which I do not have, but I'm sure both are beautiful. I really do love the golden hour color that I have. Honestly, guys, there's not one thing I tried that I didn't like. I've never like been super into e.l.f. cosmetics. I think I loved like their face primer and maybe some brushes and stuff like that before this, but I am super impressed. So if you're looking for some really affordable, on trend, beautiful, really well formulated makeup, this collection is a go. It's a yes. It's gorgeous. I actually first saw this collection on Valeria's channel. I'll put her information below. She is one of the influencers who collaborated to create this collection, so congratulations to her. This is beautiful. Let me know in the comments, do you guys have any of these products already from the collection? Are you planning on purchasing them, or are you going to pass? Let me know in the comments what you think. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and maybe it can help you decide if you're interested in buying any of these and trying them out. If you did enjoy this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. It really helps me out. Also, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please support me as a creator by subscribing. It means so much, and we are growing. We are almost at 3K, so yay! As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys!